Hey dancers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming how to get the perfect ballet bun. So have a look. Now, if you want to find out how to get this, then keep watching. I really prefer a ballet bun that is flat, that's quite high, but also goes into twists, because I feel like twists at the front really give a soft, dainty look. Sometimes if you have your hair like really slicked back, it's just not as flattering, especially if you've got fair hair as well. So I'm going to show you exactly how I achieve this. Also, before we go into the tutorial, I need to show you these amazing hair on point hair boxes. I am absolutely obsessed with this, and guess what? This one is a giveaway. So one of you can win this amazing hair box. All you have to do is comment below why you love the Claudia Dean World Instagram page, and my team members are going to be picking a winner on Monday the 17th of June. So make sure you comment there below, and then on Monday in the description box we will announce who the winner is, and then you'll have to DM us on the Claudia Dean World Instagram page to win this amazing box. This is seriously the only hair box I use to do any ballet hairstyles. It is incredible. It includes hairspray, gel, your very own pink comb, I love that, a little flower accessory. You've got another little garland there, which is so cute, some hair nets, some bobby pins, bun pins, blonde hair ties, but obviously if you've got brown hair you can still use them, and then clear hair ties too. Love it. With the Claudia Dean World logo, how cute. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, dancers. I hope you loved my perfect flat ballet bun. I know I'm obsessed. So tag me in all your photos when you do your perfect ballet bun, because I want to see them all. Make sure you do my pin trick, because it's seriously the best way to put pins in so your buns don't fall out. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. And enter the giveaway. Bye.